So, hi Vicky. So you've recently had some work done with the Conservatory Insulation Specialists. So first of all, are you pleased with the new conservatory roof?
Yes, I absolutely love my new conservatory roof. I'm really, really pleased with it.
Brilliant. And what was your conservatory like before? Tell us a little bit about it.
It was horrible and old, and I felt like actually it was probably going to blow off the next lot of wind that we had. So it was literally just see-through plastic, ridgy, really old. It was half hanging off. I actually had a big leak in the corner as well, so whenever it rained I had water coming in. So yeah, I don't think I realised how bad it looked until I had this done, but I knew it wasn't pretty. It wasn't pretty to look at. So
did it keep the heat in before, or was it like quite cold? Or?
No, it was absolutely freezing in here, and then in the summertime it was absolutely boiling. So I couldn't keep my TV out here in the summer. It was way too hot. I had to move it.
Okay, and what was the work that the guys did for you then?
So they came around and actually they did a really good job. It took them probably 4 or 5 hours. I mean, it's not the biggest roof in the world. And they literally did the inside of the roofing. They've gone up and fixed the leak at the back of the roof for me. And then my guttering was all actually half hanging off, and they fixed all the brackets on the end as well, just to prevent I think the outside roof was slipping down. So they did quite a bit of fixtures outside as well for me.
Great. And what did you think of the service and the fitters as well? How were they?
Good, really, really punctual. The fitters were lovely. It was the end of COVID, so none of that was a real issue, but they were really cautious with all of that for me. As I say, came in, did a really quick job, tidied up after them. I think they moved all the couch and everything out of the way, because obviously they've got a big couch in here. But they actually cleaned all the floor, mopped the floor and everything when they left, so I couldn't have been more pleased with them. They were really good and friendly, yeah.
That's great to hear. And would you recommend us to a friend?
Yeah, absolutely. A few of my friends have already been around that have got a conservatory, so I have mentioned to them. So I think as soon as they get their plans ready together, they'll be in touch. So yeah, really, really pleased, really happy.
Brilliant. That's great to hear. Thank you so much, Vicky.
No worries. Thank you.